Have you ever wondered why our life quite literally depends on a red liquid flowing through our veins? Well, brace yourselves for a journey deep within us, where we'll explore the life-sustaining essence known as blood. Often we consider blood merely as a red fluid, but it's much more than that. It's a complex mixture of cells, platelets, and plasma, each playing a vital role in our survival. It's a marvel of nature that has perplexed and fascinated scientists and physicians for centuries. Blood is the lifeblood of existence, the elixir that sustains us. It's the silent, tireless worker continuously pumping through our body, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every cell, fighting off infections, healing wounds, and keeping us alive and kicking. It's easy to take for granted this marvelous fluid coursing through our veins, but without it, life as we know it would cease to exist. So, blood is not just a red liquid, it's the river of life flowing within us. So, what exactly is this life-giving fluid we call blood? You might think of it as a red liquid, but there's so much more to it than meets the eye. Within this crimson tide, you'll find four main components, each with its unique role. Let's start with red blood cells, or erythrocytes. These disc-shaped cells are the stars of the show, responsible for ferrying oxygen from our lungs to every part of our body, while also carrying away carbon dioxide, a waste product of our cells, back to the lungs. They get their bright red color from a protein called hemoglobin, which binds to oxygen and transports it in the blood. Next up, we have white blood cells, or leukocytes. These are the body's defense force, fighting off infections and diseases. They're like microscopic soldiers, patrolling the bloodstream and tissues, always ready to attack any invaders. There are several types of white blood cells, each with a specific role in the immune response, from engulfing bacteria to producing antibodies. Then, we have platelets, tiny cell fragments that play a crucial part in clotting. Imagine you cut your finger. It's the platelets that rush to the scene to form a clot and stop the bleeding, acting like a natural bandage. They also help in healing wounds by releasing growth factors that repair damaged tissues. Finally, there's plasma, the liquid part of blood. It's mostly water, but it's also packed with nutrients, hormones, and waste products. Plasma serves as a highway for these substances, carrying them to where they're needed or away for disposal. These four components, red and white blood cells, platelets, and plasma, combine to form a substance unlike any other. They work together, each performing their essential roles to keep us alive and healthy. Blood is more than a red liquid. It's a bustling metropolis of cells and molecules, a transport system, a defense force, and a waste disposal service all rolled into one. Evidently, every drop of blood is a marvel of nature, a complex cocktail serving numerous functions. Now that we know what blood is, we might ask, what does it do? Let's dive into the fascinating roles blood plays in our bodies. Picture the human body as a bustling city, with blood being the taxi service, postal delivery, and security force all rolled into one. First up, blood is the body's primary transportation system. It's like a shuttle service that runs 24/7, ensuring that oxygen from the lungs gets to every cell in the body. This oxygen is vital for cells to perform their functions and keep us alive and kicking. But the transport service doesn't stop there. Blood also carries essential nutrients from the food we eat, delivering them right to our cell's doorstep. At the same time, blood is like a waste management system. It picks up waste products such as carbon dioxide from cells and transports them to the lungs, kidneys, and digestive system to be expelled from the body. But the roles of blood go beyond transport. It's also our body's internal security force, equipped with an army of white blood cells ready to defend us against harmful invaders. When germs or viruses enter our bodies, white blood cells spring into action, seeking out and destroying these threats to keep us healthy. Moreover, blood plays a crucial role in the healing process. If we get a cut or scrape, platelets in our blood clump together to form a clot, effectively acting like a bandage to stop bleeding and start the healing process. Finally, blood helps regulate our body temperature. It acts like our body's thermostat, distributing heat throughout the body to maintain a consistent internal temperature. So, from delivering oxygen and nutrients, removing waste, defending against infections, healing wounds, and even regulating temperature, blood is constantly at work, ensuring our bodies function smoothly. Indeed, blood is our body's versatile transporter and defender, a true superhero. With such a vital role, it's clear that blood is not something we can take for granted. Our health depends greatly on the quality and quantity of our blood. When our blood is healthy, it efficiently delivers oxygen, nutrients, and hormones throughout our bodies, while also removing waste products. However, disorders like anemia, leukemia, and blood clots can disrupt these crucial processes, leading to serious health complications. Blood also holds the power to save lives through transfusions. When someone loses a significant amount of blood due to injury or surgery, donated blood can literally be a lifesaver. Furthermore, certain treatments like chemotherapy can destroy a patient's blood cells, making transfusions necessary. It's also important to remember that blood donations are not just for emergencies. Regular donations can help maintain a stable blood supply, ready to be used whenever needed. So next time you see a blood drive, consider the life you could save. In essence, blood is our life force, a testament to the intricate and beautiful workings of our bodies. In conclusion, blood is much more than what meets the eye. It's the lifeblood of our existence, a vital force that powers every function of our body. It's not merely a red liquid coursing through our veins, it's a complex mix of cells, platelets, and plasma, each with a unique role to play in keeping us alive and healthy. We've unveiled the mysteries of this incredible substance, understanding its roles from oxygen transportation to immune defense. We've learned how it regulates temperature, fights off infections, and even how it helps wounds heal. It's truly mind-boggling to comprehend the multitude of tasks this single substance performs every second of our lives. So remember, knowledge of blood isn't just for medical students or professionals, it's for everyone. Understanding blood gives us a deeper appreciation of the miraculous biology of our bodies. So, next time you think of blood, remember, it's not just a red liquid but a marvel of life's design, a design we should all strive to understand and preserve.